Hi everyone, so this is the most exciting feature of Contentdrips. It's called AI Post Maker. So basically it automatically generates your social media posts, your templates through AI. So let me show you like how it works. So this post is about 6 ways to build your brand on LinkedIn. Let's say I want to write about 6 ways to get more leads for your social media agency. So this basically works through labels. So you label each text box, like this is a post title and this is the point number 1, point 2, and so on. So let's try it out. 6 ways to get more leads for your social media agency. I select the tone as simple and let's hit generate post. So right now AI is generating content for these all points. Here you go. So it gave a title of 6 ways to get more leads for your social agency, and you have your tips. So it automatically adjusts the text, replaces it, so you don't have to worry about anything. You just download and you just post it on social media. So yeah, I'm really excited to see how you guys are going to use this feature. There are endless possibilities with it. This can work with any type of post. So yeah, give it a try, and if you got any question or feedback, do let me know in the comments below.